In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to modify an existing theme logo in your Freshbooks account. Whether you're updating your branding or simply want to refresh your look, changing your theme logo is a straightforward process that you'll be able to complete in just a few steps. So let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the settings. This is the hub where you can manage various aspects of your account. Accessing the settings is the foundational step in customizing your Freshbooks experience, allowing you to tailor it to suit your business needs. Once you're in the settings, take a look at the left-hand menu. You'll see an option labeled Brand Appearance, which may also be referred to as Customize Invoice, Estimate, or Proposal Styles, depending on your Freshbooks version. This is where you can make visual changes to how your documents are presented. Selecting this option opens up a world of personalization, giving you control over how your brand is represented in every document you send out. Now, it's time to focus on the specific theme you want to modify. You might have multiple themes set up for different types of clients or projects, so choose the one that needs a new logo. Find the theme you want to edit and click Edit. This will open up the customization options for that particular theme. Next, you'll want to locate the Design tab. This tab is all about aesthetics. Here, you'll find the area designated for your company logo. This is where the magic happens. To upload your new logo image, you can either drag and drop the image file directly into this area or use the Upload button if you prefer. Opt for a high-quality image that truly represents your brand's identity, as this logo will be seen by all your clients and should convey professionalism and quality. After ensuring your new logo is in place and fits well within the display area, the final step is crucial. Save your changes. Depending on your personal preference or the completion of this specific task, you can click Save or Done to apply the changes. This action updates the theme so your new logo will be visible in all relevant areas. And there you have it, a refreshed logo on your Freshbooks account theme that reflects your current branding. Remember, keeping your brand's identity fresh and up to date is vital in maintaining a consistent and professional image to your clients. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made it easier for you to modify your theme logo in Freshbooks.